So guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are visiting the channel for the first time, then just welcome to the channel. This is your boy Badal, and I am so thrilled and excited. I can't even tell you how much excited I am. Oh my god, because we have got a voice now. That's right, you heard me right. Yeah, you heard me right. Yes, we have voice to the videos now. I use HJ cam, so, and as you guys know that HJ doesn't really have any modalities or features to use an external microphone, so I somehow got that thing done, and now we have a microphone attachment, and I hope you can hear me clearly, more than clearly I would say. So let's just have some fun now, guys. So anyways, I am going home now. I just finished my duty, my job. Now what exactly is my job, I'm not gonna reveal that, so excuse me for that. And so yeah, so I'm done with my job, 9-hour shift, and I'm going back home now, and hopefully I would be able to entertain you guys with this video. Let's hope we find something interesting to shoot. So let's go. Well, to be honest with you, I already tried to record with the microphone on, but I had some issue with the clips that I was using to my camera, and the problem was it was shooting and recording properly, no doubt about that, because I checked it once I was done recording, but the problem was it was facing downwards, so all the time you were facing to my dashboard, and there was nothing you could see from the front, like there was no view of the road that was coming into the frame. So I fixed it yesterday. Last night I spent time on that. I fixed the angle properly, so now hopefully you are able to see much broader view and much clearer view straight up ahead, rather than only my dashboard. It's too hot here, man. It's too hot here. I don't know, since yesterday Mumbai is hot. Yeah, Mumbai is very, very hot since yesterday. Yesterday I think there were a lot of clouds in the sky, you know. Yeah, it felt like it's about to rain or something, and whenever that happens, when there are a lot of clouds in the sky and there is no wind, so all of a sudden the humidity in the air raises up so high that you just sweat profusely. Even if you're just sitting idly, you'll just keep on sweating, man. Sweat like a pig. Even though pigs don't really sweat, but yeah, you will still sweat like a pig. I hope you can see the view because it's too shiny. The sun is right in the front, and there is a lot of reflection of the light on this road. Pardon me, I'm not well. I'm sick. I have cough, fever, cold, body pain, headache, everything together. Still, I'm trying to make this video just because I love you guys so much. So we are approaching Airoli Bridge right ahead. Yeah, that's the Airoli Bridge. Believe it or not, it is quite shiny at the moment because of the sun, because it's like mid-evening or something. But in the morning, oh boy, this view is absolutely gorgeous, especially in the winter time. So you can see the lovely views on my left, on my right. That's the Thane city up there. I wasn't really making videos quite consistently in the recent past, because you know, I was caught up with the work. Plus I wasn't really keen on making videos because I was doubtful about the quality of the video that I was making, because there was no sound. Let's face fact, a video, especially a motovlogging video, without a background sound or commentary, it's actually pointless and it's very boring to witness. So I wasn't really really quite excited to do that, so I didn't do it. But now as everything is fixed and I think everything is back on track, so I will make videos quite more frequently. I won't say every day because it's not really a practical thing to do. But yeah, I'll still try to make as many videos as possible and as frequently as possible. Let's see what happens in the future. Okay, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, I think I have made a mistake. I had to, because there was this asshole coming right behind me very fast. Okay, I think I can make this. Let's see if I can. Let's see if I can. I think I can. See, there is a will, there is a way. भैया क्या कर रहे हो? भैया की कर रहे हो? भैया की कर रहे हो? Can you? Oh ho ho ho! Did you catch that? Just go back and see it again. Otherwise, I will rewind the video for you. There was a sparrow who flew right in front of my camera, like 2 feet away from me, as if she wanted to attack me or something. If you're wondering or wishing that I will race or something, I'm not gonna do that, because I am a very sincere and responsible citizen of this country, and I follow the rules and the laws. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I just don't want to do it now. I don't know, I'm being sincere today, I guess. I have no idea why is that. It looks so crowded on the top, so I think I will go under the bridge. गरीब को जाने दो रास्ता, दो गरीब को रास्ता, भैया जाने दो. Yep, nice move. आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी, हमको जाने नहीं देगी, and जाने नहीं दिया. But at least she is quite a daredevil and she is going ahead. Good, I like that. कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा, बता ना पाए बातें दिलों. Yesterday, believe it or not, at 5:30 in the evening, I got a lot of traffic, a lot of traffic. Yeah, and it was quite painful on my hand because the clutch of this bike, Gixxer, is not really the smoothest one. So it's very hard clutching that I had to do. It gave me a lot of pain. I hope it's not the case today. झगड़ा हुआ है झगड़ा. अरे क्या यार, झगड़ा देखते रहे हो, सब ट्रैफिक जाम किए जा रहे हो यार. लोगों की प्रायोरिटीज भी कुछ अलग ही होती है यार. People will fucking block the road and create a traffic jam just to witness some few abusive words thrown at each other by some other random people. Fucking bullshit. It's like, do you have no work in your life? So far, no traffic. Not sure what will happen afterwards. Quite like that, no traffic. And just when I said there is no traffic, there is traffic. ये नहीं जा रहा है, मुझे ही जाने दो. अभी ये कैसे जा रहा है? This is the spot. This is the very spot. This one, where a car driver, he kind of like crushed me during making that turn. Fucking bastard. I still remember the car. It was a red car, Maruti Suzuki Swift. I don't know the name of the sedan version, but yeah, it was the sedan version of Maruti Swift. It was of red color. I remember that as well. तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा I'm yawning. I'm tired, man. I'm actually very tired. How can we make this video interesting? Shall I jump off the bike right in front of a running truck? That will give me a lot of views. Nah, man, that's not my funda, you know. I won't do some crazy shit just for views. तू क्यों निकल रहा है यार? जाओ जाओ चाचा, जाओ जाओ. I will give you a lot of time. I will give you a lot of time. तू न जाने आस पास है. Is there a space there? Okay, there is a space here. Nice move by Badal. Look at this prick now. Fucking asshole. Okay guys, I will have to wait at the side for something. I'm not gonna tell you what exactly for, so I will see you in a minute. Okay, so the work is done and I'm back on my way to my lovely, not really lovely home. Anyways, why did I say that? I shouldn't have said that on the camera. Anyways, oh my god, my phone is creating an issue now. My phone is creating an issue now. You know the problem of formal pants? You can't see, but I'm wearing a formal pant right now. And the problem with that is a fucking disgusting thing is that you can't really put in your mobiles. If you have a very large mobile, you can't really put in back in the pocket with ease. No, you will struggle. It won't really get inside properly. It will remain halfway out and will constantly poke you in the fucking leg, in the thigh, if you are riding a bike that way. It's just fucking annoying, man. Formal pants, formal shirts. Why so much formality? You know, let people live the way they want to live, and there will be no issues. You know, the problem occurs when you resist people's conscious decisions about their own life. And that's when you experience the resistance from the people, because they're basically trying to control their lives and their decisions about their own life, which is kind of sick, if you ask me. Rukega. That's the power of using a GoPro. I'm not gonna be an arrogant prick here, but I'll be brutally honest with you. When you are riding a bike and you have a camera running and recording shit, people around you, you know, other riders or drivers, whether it be you know, the pedestrians, they will respect you and they will be fearful of doing any kind of a stupid mistakes, unlike these pricks over here. That did not go well. I mean, I was trying to make a point and this guy just proved my point wrong right on my fucking face. But anyways, I'm still gonna go ahead and tell you what I feel. So whenever you are using a GoPro or an action camera on your helmet and you're riding, people around you, that they be riders, bikers, the car drivers, any kind of a driver, pedestrians walking across, they will respect you and be fearful of making any kind of a stupid silly mistakes and crossing the rules, breaking the rules, because they know they are being recorded, they are being watched. So they will be careful of you and they will leave you alone, sort of, and they won't try fancy things with you. These bumps, man, you feel these bumps on your bums. You need a lot of fat on your bumps to absorb these bumps. I'm on fire today. Fucking asshole. Blocking my ways. It's too shiny. I hope you can see, because you and I can't see what's going on in front of me. I hope you can see at least. अभी ये कैसे जाएगा? आई थिंक ये पार्क कर रहा है, मतलब यहाँ पे अभी ट्रैफिक जाम करने वाला है थोड़ी ही देर में. Yep, I can predict the future. अभी देखो, वो बंदा उधर ही है और ये कार जाने वाली है. It's gonna be fun to watch. अरे भैया, अरे यार, अभी तो देखो, अभी तो ट्रक जा रहा है यहाँ से. ये चूतियागिरी क्या ड्राइव कर रहा है. अभी ये निकल रहा है यहाँ से. दुनिया भर का बोझ. That's the reality of the life. अपने कंधे इतने मजबूत नहीं होते. अरे यार, ये भी आ गया. अभी इसको जगा दो, उसको जगा दो. इधर किधर जगह देंगे इसको? आई थिंक मेरे को चूतियागिरी यार. क्या क्या करना पड़ता है यार इस देश में. How many problems do we have on the road? Look at these people now. No fucks given. Where am I supposed to go now? Someone help me. Like legit help me. पेट्रोल डालना पड़ेगा भाई कल. ओए माँ, bike is too heavy for me. Fucking hell. I'm recording everything. Not necessarily everything. Why the fuck am I breathing so heavily today? Asthma. No, I'm just kidding. I don't have any asthma. I used to play football at times. Anyways, so we are going home now. Bye bye.